Splendid performance nung ating first elimination round. Pero this afternoon kaya pa rin nila? Tutok na Cebu dahil ito na ang Abakita Father and Sons with Going Out of My Head.
Well, I think I'm going out of my head. Yes, I think I'm going out of my head over you. Over you. I want you to want me. I need you so badly. I can't think of anything but you. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. You feel like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much. At long last love has arrived, and I thank God I'm alive. Ooh, you're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. Going out of my head over you. Out of my head over you. Out of my head, day and night, night and day and night. Wrong or right, I love you, baby. And if it's quite alright, I need you, baby. To on a lonely night, I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say, oh pretty baby, don't bring me down, I pray. Oh pretty baby, now that I found you, stay and let me love you, baby. Let me love you. I want you to want me. I need you so badly. I can't think of anything but you. You're just too good to be true. You can't take my eyes off you. Out of my head, day and night, night and day and night. Wrong or right, night and day and night. Wrong or right, night and day and night. And I think I'm going out of my head.
There you have it, Roy, Eric, Fred, Ike, and Godofredo Abakita representing Talisay, Cebu City. Napaka-talented po ng mga Pilipino, mga kaibigan. Let's ask our judges how they felt about the Abakita father and son. Let's start with you, John.
Yes. They got very cool sounding voices. Bilog na bilog, magandang. Lalo na yung yung nagfa-falsetto. Mahirap mag-falsetto pero nagawa niya mag-blend doon sa natural range ng male voices, no?
Ikaw ba yun? Nagpa-falsetto? Ayun, no? Siya yun eh.
Galing, magaling, magaling. They got also the good developmental, yung vocal arranging nila, no? Vocal arrangement. From yung unison voices, nag-develop into multi-part harmony. Maganda yung ginawa nila. Solid yung harmonization ninyo. Maganda yan. Your voices blend well together. At saka importante dito, lalo na sa malaking crowd, malaking grupo, yung syllabication ng bawat ng words. Sabay-sabay kayo, which is very, very good. I congratulate you for that. The counterpoint harmony, very interesting. Well done.
Thank you, thank you. Napakagaling talaga. Carlitos, what do you say?
Yeah, wow. Sinabi na ni John lahat ng... I mean, it's really... When they're singing in unison, napansin ko, you really sound like one person. Tapos, yung pag nagvo-voicing, ang ganda nung transition because nagpa-branch out siya in several voices. Pero it's all like it's all parang it's coming from one parang very well blended, walang lumulutang. At the same time, you're all confident individually and as a group. So it's very pleasant to watch and pleasant to listen to. I'm really impressed. Congratulations.
Thank you po. Miss Nanette.
I repeat what they said. Pagdating sa unison, talagang ang ganda. Parang iisa lang ang kumakanta. Parang narinig ko ang Letterman at saka ang Society of Seven kapag kumakanta. Parang narinig ko yan. I should say, rich in harmony, and you delivered with confidence and proper dynamics. Congratulations.
All right, I'm sure all the Cebuanos watching right now are very proud of the Abakita father and sons. All right?
Nakakataba ng puso. Kasi pinaghirapan din namin yun eh.
Nalipay ko nga nagpabili ng among grupo tungod kay ang damgo dili man na paliton, so nagdamgo mi nga umabot nga mga adlaw usami sa labing maayo nga magkakanta dinhi sa dili lamang sa Pilipinas bisan pa sa lain nga mga nasod.